Hello everyone, today we show you how to perform linear regressions on Excel. Okay, the first you will go to the data and find the words data analysis, and then you scroll and see regression and click on it and okay. Okay, so here is the import range or equate, or as you know in regression we call dependent variable. So my dependent variable is ice cream sold. Okay, and the okay is temperature. So I click on temperature. Okay, so here is your data rank is have label, right? So just click label and confidence levels. I said uh 950. Okay. So here is the output range. So where is the place you want to output the result? So I want to output here and click on here. Okay. So here is the residual or line load line. Okay. If you want to just click is the one that's okay. Okay, now it's all done. I click OK. Okay. So it's the result. Yes. So if you are the data analysis, you will understand all the result. Okay, I just showed you how to perform. I don't explain the result outputting it. Okay, so my videos come to the end. Hope you enjoy and like it. Okay, bye bye.